Hello. I'm doing an update on my garden. I already have several updates on my garden. I just have to put the videos up. I'm looking at my pineapple mint. It's perked up and getting new leaves on it. See that? It's beautiful. I just made this pot here I got from the Dollar Tree. I put my jade succulent rosette, some elephant bush exavere in there. Can't wait for it to get big, and so I can trim around it and fill out that. I'm gonna give me another one of those semi clover looking planters. Getting ready for the rain to come. See my little what is it, ladybug and bumblebee. I got that from the Dollar Tree. Some balcony garden decorations. Hope everybody doing fine. You know, we got that coronavirus going around. I went to Smart and Final yesterday and got me some more paper. I got some pine sol. I got some more water. So we pretty well stocked up on the stuff you might need during this crazy time. I don't know what's wrong with Trump acting like the Democrats made all this up. Yeah, okay. Hope if he get the coronavirus, it'll be his own fault, cause he acting like it's not real. I think he care about is the stock market. Well, the poor folks don't got time to be thinking about the stock market, 'cause we don't have no stocks. We're trying to do the best we can out here with what we have. I'm not trying to say I speak for all poor people or people that's on a low budget. But anyway, I hope somebody that's serious can take charge and make things right. Nancy Pelosi, hope she can get things figured out. They said that they're going to give people sick pay leave, food stamps, whatever. They gonna give everybody food stamps. I will be in line. I don't care about using no food stamps, but I have to risk going back out to use them with the coronavirus. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, so it's a risk for the old people. I heard they said they gonna tell folks to stay away from the old people. Ain't that some mess? Like the old people is the cause of everything. Who knows? Well, you can stay away from me. Leave more stuff for the old people in the store. I ain't got time for that mess. The coronavirus ain't gonna get me, even though I've been under the weather. I hope I don't have the coronavirus. They say you feel feverish, then you have a dry, hacking cough. Who knows? Be right back. Let me finish showing y'all my lemon thyme. It's still doing good. All the little people hanging on. That's a good shot, huh? My golden oregano. Look, the tarragon has perked up. And you guys can see my creeping Charlie is creeping. Look, it's gotten bigger. You can see. And the blue pickle ivy, that's what that thing called. Everything right there, my other new plants, they still looking good. They still miniature. I'm gonna see what's up. This balcony is a hot mess. Just like the inner side of the house, I gotta finish the spring cleaning. But yep, I hope I ain't got the coronavirus. I have sprayed everything in this house with some Lysol disinfectant spray. Wipe stuff down. I'm still spring cleaning. Getting rid of this, trying to fix that. I want to craft. I got a crafting spirit. It's itching me. Well, how you guys doing? Have you got a lot of supplies? Are you panicking? Taking care of your elders? These folks, you know, this disease, it's like it was meant to eliminate old people. But wait, I heard on the news, don't be fooled, because the younger people can get sick too. Don't nobody want to be around anybody with the coronavirus, but we don't know where the virus is, so a lot of us could have the virus. Be back. Just stay prayed up over everything. Stay out of crowds. Whatever they saying on the news, take heed. I don't know if you should listen to the president because he not really telling the truth. The news people, they are, you know, getting supporting evidence to say what he's saying is not correct. It's a whole bunch of tests not available. It's not tests available for everyone. So Trump said that, and the news people say that's not true. So you guys gotta just watch out. Don't believe everything you hear, I guess, from the president, because if he's not gonna share the truth. I don't want to be political. This is about my balcony garden, and I'm sharing my little people with y'all. Hope y'all have a great day. You want to say anything, say it in the comments. Leave beautiful comments. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Pictures coming.